Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to create single product page in Elementor. It's a very easy tutorial if you follow every single step. So let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to install Elementor. So how you can do that? On the left side of the menu, you will find plugin. Click on add new, or you can just open this in a new link tab. Once you open that, it will take some time to open up, and this is the page for plugins, right? On the top right corner, you can search Elementor, obviously. Once you search that, wait for a while, it might take some time. And this is the one which we were looking for. Elementor website builder, more than just a page builder. You can even click on more details and you can read it out how it looks like and how it works. It's a very strong tool for not only for product page, but to creating your website and editing it. So in my opinion, you should download this one if you're using WordPress. Once you install this and activate it, obviously, you will end up back to dashboard. Once you end up at dashboard again, make sure to check Elementor and you might see Elementor Pro, or they will ask you to upgrade your website or upgrade your Elementor plugin. So what happens if I go back to my plugins and install plugins? You will see there are two plugins over here, Elementor and Elementor Pro. So I have Elementor Pro, right? And obviously, once you install a plugin, you will only see this one. Why you're not seeing this one? Because I bought it. I bought Elementor. And once you buy that, you might end up seeing Elementor Pro. And on the left side of the menu, you will not see anything related to Pro that you need to go Pro, right? But why did I buy this? Because there's a reason. Because if you want to create your product page, a single product page, you need to have Elementor Pro version. Otherwise, it won't work. They will ask you to go ahead and update your Elementor. So I'm going to take you to Elementor Pro pricing plans right now. And this is on their website, as you can see. Over here, you can see we have four plans. Obviously, the first one is only for one website, which is for $10 per month. And we have the business website for $20 per month. And every plan has some other changes, like you can use only 10 GB over here. For business plan, you have 20 and other 25, 40 GB. And obviously, after that, we have grow and scale. Once you have grow, that means you are going to create Elementor Pro on 3 websites and scale with the 10 websites. But obviously, the pricing plans will increase. And at the bottom, you can see all the changes, like monthly visits. It would only allow 25,000. And we have business 50,000, 75, and then 100K. And there's a lot of stuff over here which you need to understand, and you need to go accordingly. Once you go ahead and buy this, you need to go back and install this one. So why would we need that? Because obviously they would not allow us to start building single product page. And how you can do that? Under Elementor, you will see templates. Under templates, you will find theme builder. If you click in this option, it might take some time to load up, but once it's load up, as you can see, we have so many options on the left side, and most of them would be locked. Why? Because if you haven't bought Pro version, it would not be accessible. But right now, obviously, I can access those things. I'm just going to click on single product. This is what we were looking for, right? And this is the one which I was working on. So I'm going to make it go trash, and you might see something like this. And obviously, I was just trying to do that. So that's why it was showing up over here. So what do you need to do from over here now? Just click on add new, and it will take us to that page where we are going to select some template accordingly. So it might take some time, and once it's load up, it would seem something like this. And here we have 3 of them. You can obviously preview them. Just click on that, and you can scroll down like how it looks like, and you can go back, check this one out, as you can see. And we have this one. So you can go either one of them and start working on that. And obviously we are talking about single page product, and I think this looks good. Obviously this is a single page, and under that maybe we can add related to it, right? So we can just click on insert from over here, and if you accidentally click on the cross button on the top right corner, you can easily access that by clicking on this option. So as you can see over here, we have all of that. So but before we go further, you can also create it by your own, and make sure to buy Pro, otherwise there are some options which you cannot access. Like I said this before, you can create it by your own. How you can do that? Obviously you need images over here, right? So if you search for image first of all, so you can drag that over here. But one more thing, click on this option plus, and we need two section at one place, at one horizontal, right? Click on this option, and here I'm going to add an image. Here I can add my image, and here we can add more options related to buy and checkout options. But if you don't want that, obviously just cross that, click on this option, and you can select one of them. I can just click on insert, and they will ask you to connect the template library. Access this template library, just click on get started, and it might take some time to load up. Obviously once we are over here, just click on sign into Elementor. Once you connect your obviously template, you will end up over here back, and here you can see it generated all the products which I have on my website. Obviously, as you can see over here, if I click on products right now, you can see I have those obviously products. And if you have your own products, once you add and insert that template, it will redirect it by itself. So once it's done, let's say you want to start editing and you want to edit something. Obviously, you can just click on this option and start editing from over here on the left side. You can change every single thing, even the styling of this fonts. As you can see, typography. If you click on this option, you have so many options related to specifically those fonts. So you can just resize it if you want, or you have so many fonts. Like I said before, you can select one of them and start working on it. We have styling for now normal and italic and oblique. We have decoration, we have line highlight. If you want that, you can also do that. There's a lot of stuff which you can do, in my opinion. And obviously I'm going with this one. And if you go back, you can edit this after that to enter your whole details related to it. And if you don't want this, let's say you don't want this section, right? Just click on this section cross, and it will be deleted easily. And if you want to add something between this, click on this option, and you can easily add that over here. As you can see, you can click on plus icon and create your own with the sections. Or what you can do is click on this option, and here you can add more things from over here. And if not from over here, obviously we have created our single page product. If not from over here, what you can do, go to your templates. And if you have your own templates, you can insert that from over here. Like you can insert it from Envato elements. Let's say you have inserted some, imported some themes from Envato elements, and you want to add that over here. So you can find that over here, right? We can have pages, pre-built pages, which you can choose it from. And obviously you can view it before. You can add the premium plans option over here if you want to do that. Obviously it would take a lot of space, but I'm just showing you how it's done. So let's say you don't want all of this, right? And you want only them to see contact us page, right? So I'm going to cross all of this, and as you can see, there's nothing below. I'm just going to click on this page, and I'm going to find some contact page over here on the left side. As you can see, we have that. And obviously I'm going to preview it first of all, and this looks good in my opinion. And just click on insert. It might take some time, not that much, but it would take some time, and you might need to wait for a while. And here we are. And let's say I want to add a picture over here, right? Click on this option on the left side. We have that option over here. Just click on choose image, and it will show us the media library which we have in this website right now. So I'm going to add, let's say this one, select, and you can add that over here, right? And obviously you can add more stuff over here. If you don't want this, just delete it, right? And you can add items more. And if you want to add more stuff, you have a lot of stuff over here. You can see you can add headings, images more, even video, text editor. If you want to add that, you can also do that. And even buttons, call to action buttons if you want to add that. And obviously we have our, let's say, you know, you don't have it. Like, let's say you don't have this Google map and you want to add that, right? So obviously on the left side, you have Google Maps option. Just drag that over here and start working. You can add address, contact us page. So I think this is one of the best way to create your own single product page. And I hope you have understand how to create single product page in Elementor. You just need a pro version, and after that you can create your single product page. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.